Okay, welcome to my next video on how to change some of your fonts and your colors. The same thing is going to kind of apply that we did from our appearance. I come down here to appearance, or we did on our header, and you can just go and you can change your background. Actually, I think on this one, now remember each theme is a little bit different, but for the most part they're the same. The theme that you choose may be a little bit different than this one, but for the most part this training will get you through on how to make those changes. For the header, I know those are pretty standard, but like I can go to theme options, and from here, here's like main options. Um, here's fonts and custom. So see, I can change all my colors. This is the border color. I can change that if I want. I just click there and come down in here, hit save changes. You could probably go to, here's your header. Like you'll notice on the header, let's see if we can refresh this. Let's say you want to get rid of that purple. So you'll notice it's purple here. I just click that. Maybe I want to come more white. Let's see. I can get into some white here. And scroll up here. And let's say I want to go with that color, so I just hit save settings. Come back over, I'll refresh it, and this should change. Yeah, see how I've changed the color back here. So I can change the colors. See how that red border changed over here. And so, there's just all kind of stuff you can do. The best thing you can do is just, you got to kind of get in, play around with it. There's really nothing. You can't really hurt anything. If you make a mistake, just go back and redo it. So here's my header image. If I wanted to change that again. This is the title and the tagline, which originally was up in this area right here at the top. So if you wanted to put a tagline back in there, you could add that, change the color on it. There's all kind of stuff that you can do. Probably the fonts. I think we can change our fonts. Now here's our fonts down here. So if I want to change the size, if I wanted to make it a little bit bigger, I could do that. And I'll just refresh that. And I'm not sure if it changed it or not. Maybe it was already at 14. But anyway, you can change your fonts in there. So there's just all kind of stuff that you can do. Again, if I go into if I go into let's go back to dashboard appearance. I can change my background. This is a pretty cool little thing when it pops up because you can do everything. So let's see, I could choose a background image if I wanted. It's not going to really let us change the colors. Actually hit colors. There's your background color. So if you wanted to change it, actually it's showing me what it's going to look like even before I look at it. Save and publish it. And come back over here. We'll refresh it and see how the background changed. So there's all kind of stuff you can do. The best thing to do is just get in there and play around with it a little bit, kind of set it up. You'll make changes even after you start posting content, but for this one, just kind of get a basic will be fine for you. So I'll see you at the last and final one, which we'll talk about adding content to a page and a post. See you then.